1.4 Miss Slippery passage. Read the following passage and do the activities. A1 simple factual activities. Name the following. First sentence, main character of the story. Second, Sily's favorite subject dash. 3. Subject that Sily's class teacher taught dash. 4. The notebook that Sily had taken out by mistake. Now second point, state whether the following statements are true or false. First, Sily got punishment in the last period of the day. Second sentence, the teacher had asked the class to memorize the causes and effects of the Battle of Panipat. Third, the quarrel was between the two, but the punishment inevitably descended on Sily. And fourth, Sily's father's scream came piercing through her ears. Now third point, answer in short in your own words. First, the history teacher had asked them to memorize it. Hot. Second, the person who did not allow any such occasion to slip without turning it into a vociferous quarrel. Who? Passage 1, text page number 18-19. I got ready, dash, my legs queer. A2, complex factual activities. Answer the following. Why could the notebook have fallen from Sily's hand? Second question, what happened when it was Sily's turn to answer? In this question, there is second point, complete the following sentence with the help of the passage. First sentence, Sily's papa used every opportunity to dash. Second, whenever Sily heard a raised voice, she felt as if her dash. Third sentence, when Sily's class teacher told them to dash, she took out mathematics notebook by mistake. And fourth, dash kept Sily standing punished for the whole period. A3, activities based on vocabulary. Pick out some compound words from the passage. For example, notebook, like this. Then next question, add the proper prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. First word, obey, opposite. Second, continue. Next point, add suffixes to convert the following words to adjective forms. First, laugh. Second, thought. Third, punish. Fourth, quarrel. Then A4, activity based on contextual grammar. Identify the tense in the following sentences. First sentence, Mama and Papa were quarreling. Second, some girls laughed loudly. Then A5, personal response. Should teacher punish girls in the class? 5. This is the last question, personal response. You solve the passage in your